Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02443 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#code. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to alter the table. So alter table employees to drop constraint pk underscore employee. So I am going to drop the constraint called pk underscore employee. So here you can see ORA-02443 cannot drop constraint, non-existent constraint. So there is no constraint name like pk underscore employee mapped to the table employees to. So what I am doing, I am going to SQL developer login as sysdba, run this query. Okay, select star from all underscore constraints. So it gives me no constraints mapped to the table called employees to. Okay, what I am doing, I am newly creating one constraint. So I am newly creating one constraint pk underscore employee. Okay, pk underscore employee. So that will be the primary key constraint to the column employee number. So this is the SQL query to add the constraint called pk underscore employee. Okay, so constraint is now available. Before re-executing that alter drop constraint, I am once again executing that select star from all underscore constraint query sysdba. Okay, you can see that constraint is available. Okay, constraint is available now in database, that is pk underscore employee constraint name is available in the database. Now once again you retry the query, that is to drop the constraint pk underscore employee. This is the query. Yes, you can see that table is altered. So make sure that whether the constraint name exists in the database, then you drop the constraint name. So this is the fix for ORA-02443 cannot drop constraint, non-existent